hash map list. A hash map list combines the functionality of a hash map, hash table, with a list. This data structure can be useful when you need to store a list of elements that is keyed by a unique identifier, allowing for efficient access and storage of elements by their associated keys. Structure. It uses a hash map to associate keys, T, with lists of values, E, where the key points to a list or collection of elements. Operations. Add an element to the list associated with a given key. Remove a specific element from the list. Retrieve the list associated with a given key. Size. Get the size of the list for a particular key. Tree node. Binary search tree. A tree node represents an element in a binary search tree, BST, which is a tree structure in which each node has at most two children. The key properties of a tree node in a BST are: structure. Each tree node contains a value or key, E, a reference to a left child node with values less than the parent node, a reference to a right child node with values greater than the parent node. Operations. Insert a new node in the correct position to maintain the BST property. Search for a node with a specific key. Delete, remove a node, adjusting the tree structure to preserve the BST property. Traversal. Traversals include in-order, pre-order, and post-order to visit all nodes. Linked list node. Linked list. A linked list node represents an element in a linked list, a linear data structure where each node points to the next node in the sequence. The linked list allows for efficient insertion and deletion of elements. Structure. Each linked list node contains a data field, E, a reference or pointer to the next node in the list. Operations. Insert a new node at the beginning, middle, or end of the list. Delete, remove a node from the list. Traverse the list to access all elements from the head node to the tail. A singly linked list has a reference to the next node, while a doubly linked list has references to both the next and previous nodes. Try node. A trie is a tree-like data structure used to efficiently store a dynamic set of strings, typically for search operations such as autocomplete or spell checking. Trie node. Each trie node represents a single character in a string. Each node has multiple child nodes, each representing a character of the string that follows. A node typically has a children collection, example, an array or hash map, and an isEndOf word flag, which indicates whether the node marks the end of a valid string. Trie operations. Insert a string into the trie by creating nodes for each character in the string. Search for a string, checking the nodes along the way. Prefix search. Check if any words start with a given prefix. Delete. Remove a string from the trie by adjusting the nodes accordingly.